Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you are new, hi, my name is Tati. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of this squad family. And if you are a OG subscriber, welcome back.
Essa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver.
So for today's video, we are going to be testing out the MAVEN Beauty brushes. I wanted some makeup, but then I ended up not buying the makeup, but I bought the brush. The regular price for these is like 100 and something, but I got it for sale for like 93 something plus some discount. Like I think it was like 10% discount or 20% discount. I paid for it almost like $80 something. I will be putting it somewhere here. Today is gonna be all full face using only these brushes. As well, I'm gonna be trying out some new makeup. Some are new and some are not new. You already have seen them, but it's mostly about the brushes because I really want to know, are they really good? Are they really worth that money? So this is how the bag looks like. You can travel with it if you want. You can put your brushes inside here, or you can put your makeups inside here. The makeup bag goes all the way to the back. You can put it on your desk when you're gonna do your makeup, so that way the brushes don't go anywhere or whatever you put inside of it. And these are the brushes on the inside. It comes with a lot of brushes. Can you see this? That's a lot of brushes for your whole face. I'm holding right now 30 brushes. 30 brushes. We have 12 face brushes and 18 eye brushes. They came in this plastic bag. I kept one, but I removed all of them because I was like, I'm gonna take so long just removing the plastic off. So it comes covered. It doesn't come like this. It as well comes in this protector and with the bag on the bottom. I am so ready and anxious to try these brushes out. Hopefully they are good. As you guys can see, I haven't done my eyebrows because I wanted to know if an eyebrow brush is gonna be on this brush set. I'm gonna be using these two brushes. This is the angle brush and the concealer brush. And these brushes doesn't come with numbers. They come with the name of what each brush does. Like this one, this is the angle eyeliner, but this is for eyeliner, but I'm gonna be using it for my brows. And then we have this one that is called flat concealer brush, or the flat concealer, and that is for concealer. I'm gonna be using these two products to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be doing it off camera because I just take so long to do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna come back and I will let you guys know what I think about these brushes. Before we get started with the eyebrows, I'm gonna moisturize my face and I as well gonna apply my serum. First, I'm gonna be applying the serum. I'm gonna be using the Sand and Sky Tasmanian Spring Water Serum that I got from the Mega Drop Shop that I showed you guys on my last video. I like the bottle. It looks really fancy. It doesn't have a smell. I like it. It feels really tacky. For moisturizer, I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Gel Cream. I already used this in my Instagram video. Follow me on Instagram because I've been posting some reels there. Okay, so now let's move on with the eyebrows. Let me do them real quick and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back. Eyebrows are already done. Did I like them? They were all right. They did their thing. The concealer brush is really soft. It blended the concealer nicely, and the angle brush did their job as well. I don't love them, but I like them. So now let's move on with the eyes before doing my face. Okay, I'm first gonna apply my patches that I got from Shop Miss A because I don't know if the new palette that I'm gonna be using is gonna have some fallout. Today's palette, I'm gonna be using the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. This is how it looks like. Comes with the plastic. I'm gonna keep the plastic. This is how it looks like. We got some beautiful bright colors. So I'm gonna apply the concealer. For today's concealer, I'm gonna be using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Mahogany. This is my first time using this concealer. I'm gonna be using the eye brushes, so I'm gonna put them here in the desk, and the face brushes, I'm gonna be putting them on the side. And the first brush that I will be using is this one that is called the Concealer Blending Brush. This brush looks like it's gonna be amazing to blend my concealer on my lid. very in love with this one to blend the concealer. It just blended it really good and smoothly. I'm gonna take the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. Then I'm gonna go with this Shea Glam foundation. That is what I'm gonna be using for my lid. This is the shade Caramel, and I'm gonna be taking the concealer brush that I use for my eyebrows. Be doing my wing line, and I'm gonna be using the MAC eyeliner gel black stripe, and I'm gonna be using the angle brow brush. So this is for your brow and this is for your eyeliner, but I like this as a eyebrow because I like the angle to be a little bit bigger. I am back, you guys. I ended up finishing the rest of the eye. I just did my wing line, apply my mascara, my lashes, and eyeliner. For mascara, I use the Rare Beauty volumizing mascara. I like it, you guys. I like the mascara. It's really voluminous. This is called the Perfect Stroke Universal Volumizing Mascara, and it is in the shade black. This is really good. I'm definitely gonna continue on using it, and maybe later on I'm gonna be purchasing the full size. I love the wine of this mascara. It's just amazing for your top and bottom lashes. For eyeliner, I use the LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner in the shade black, and for my lashes, I use my Holy Grail lashes that I cannot stop using, and I definitely had to repurchase more. This is my last set for these lashes, so I'm definitely gonna be buying another one because you guys know that I love these lashes. So now let's move on with the face. So I'm gonna first start by priming my face using the Milani Supercharged Dewy Primer. This is gonna be my first time using this, and I heard so many good things about this primer that is really good for dry skin, and I have really dry skin, so a lot of people with dry skin recommended it, that this is one of the best drugstore primer, and I had to try it out. This primer is wow. It is so dewy, super dewy. I like my face to look like this. I like my face to look dewy, illuminated, hydrating instead of dry. And the smell has a very strong orange smell, but it smells good. It smells like orange. I'm gonna let it sink into my skin while I talk to you guys about the eye brushes that I use. So about the eye brushes, they are really good. They apply and they pick up the colors very good. Of all of the 18 brushes, I use 12 eye brushes, including the eyebrows brushes that I use for my eyebrows, and I didn't use 6 of them. One of these brushes is for the lips, that is this one, and then I'm gonna be using this angle brush for my nose to contour my nose, and this one, I don't know what I'm gonna use that for, maybe for my eyebrows to brush them down. And then we have these two. This one is the all over eyeshadow brush to put eyeshadow all over your lid, and then this one that is called a cream eyeshadow brush. And then we have this pointy one that is called the pointy eyeliner brush. So now it's time to move on with the face brushes, which I have inside here. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in the shade 320. This is how it looks like. Hopefully it's my shade, you guys. Finger crossed. Because I grabbed 380 and 380 was super dark for me. For foundation brush, we have three choices, three foundation brushes. We have this one that is called the Detail Buff Foundation Brush. This one is the triangle shape. And then we have this one that is the Angle Buff. And then we have this one that is called the All Over Cream Brush. I'm gonna be using this one because this one says that it's for cream foundation. So what do you guys think? 320 is the shade? It's just a little bit too light, just a little bit, but you know, we can work with it, just brown, but it looks way better than the 380. So we're gonna be moving on, applying the concealer. For concealer, I'm gonna be taking a new shade. This time I'm gonna be taking the shade Caramel, and these concealers are really good. I've been seeing this new hack, what they've been doing on Instagram and TikTok, where you apply just a little bit of concealer on your inner and outer corner. But that doesn't work for me, guys. I have really dark circles. I need to hide those dark circles. I'm gonna go with this brush that is called the Detail Buff brush, the triangle brush. And I'm just gonna blend the concealer using this brush. Now I'm gonna be taking this blending brush. It is for refining your powder, so applying your powder. So for powder, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. I'm gonna go with contouring. Finally, I'm being anxious to use this, but I had so many stuff that I need to use that I just forget about this one. This is the Sigma Scope Highlighting and Contouring Palette. And this is how it looks like. It has the plastic, cute plastic, but I don't keep the plastic. We had these two brushes for contouring. I'm gonna be using one for bronzer and the other one for contouring. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using this one. This one is called the Control Contour. I'm gonna be taking the shade in the bottom middle that is called Troll Shade. And then I'm gonna be taking the small angle brush. This is supposed to be an angle eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna be using it for contouring my nose. And I'm gonna be taking the shade in the bottom middle as well. I'm gonna be using the all over eyeshadow just to blend the powder on the side that I contour, just so it doesn't look harsh. I'm gonna go with the contour fan brush, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this shade here that is called Hollow. Now it's time to go on with blush. I'm gonna use this new blush that I got as a mini gift. I'm gonna be taking the famous of all over Instagram, all over TikTok. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Peach Do It Liquid Blush. Finally, I'm gonna be trying this product out. This is the shade, which shade that they give lipstick me. Oh, I'm sorry. It was right here on the front. Duh. This is the shade Believe. It's so tiny. Kind of looks like a liquid lipstick. I think I'm exaggerating, right? I think a little bit goes a long way because I heard that these blushes are really pigmented. So I'm gonna be taking this brush. This is the Angle Buff brush. I wonder if you can wear this as a liquid lipstick. The color is so nice. It's like a everyday color. So next I'm gonna move on with highlighter. I'm gonna use the Juvia's Loose highlighter. This is the Royalty 2. I think that's the name, the Royalty 2. And I'm gonna be using this brush that is called Detail Highlighter Brush. So let's move on with the lips. I'm gonna be using these two products. The lip liner is from NYX and it's in the shade Cold Breeze. And then for the liquid lipstick, I'm gonna take the Nabla Dreamy Creamy Liquid Lipstick in Hedonics. With the liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna apply it directly on my lips because I want to use the lip brush. For setting spray, I'm gonna take the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh setting spray. So far, I like the makeup look. I like how it came out. I didn't use 5 of the face brushes, but they are really good, really soft. They apply it very nicely. They blend it very nicely. I didn't get no shading. They don't feel harsh. You get a lot of brushes, 30 brushes in total. And the makeups, I'm really impressed with this makeup. It's not one of them that I am like, I'm not feeling this product. The one that I love of all of the makeup that I use had to be this primer. This primer is just amazing. It's really dewy, luminous. It's really great for dry skin. The palette, let me tell you guys about the palette. They are really good. I didn't thought they were gonna be this good. You guys saw about the tutorials. They are nice. They are very pigmented. I like how the look came out. The liquid lipstick, you guys know that this is my favorite liquid lipstick. Well, not my favorite liquid lipstick, but the color is very nice. So they are really refreshed when you apply it. It smells good. I try not to eat it because that will be so nasty. So thank you so much, my beauty, for watching this video. Thank you for staying this long. Don't forget to like this video and you guys enjoy it. And if you like this type of video, me doing first impression, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet. And as well, don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Esa chica quiere selfie, selfie, ella quiere ver. Pa' que el CP se dé cuenta que aquí perdió esa mujer. Lo que quiere es enloquecer.